Here's a very unpleasant math question or exam question, so let's dive right into it. Now, to dive into this mess, we need two strategies. And the first one is this. If we have a form, let's say a butterfly inside with a number that's outside over here, and a hat, look like a power of some sort. Now this you must know or realize, or some sort of commitment in your head, that this form is really into whatever you have inside, keep it alive in there. And this turns into a fraction where the outside stays on the bottom and the hat stays on top. So basically this big chunk over here becomes A to B, A times B, and that's my butterfly inside. The outside number is the 4, and the hat stays on top. Okay, so same thing on the bottom over here. This chunk is taken, that 2 is outside there, and 3 is here. I'm taking our same strategy. 2 stays outside on the bottom, and the hat stays on top. Now, if you know this, you're halfway there. The second thing you needed to know is what we want to do is convert all the a's powers over here by adding them. If there's multiplication, let's add. And we're going to add all the powers over here. And if it's b is over here. Now, if it's division, we're going to subtract. So this chunk is going to be subtracted because it's dividing, and this chunk is going to be added because it's multiplication. Okay, now if you have those two pieces, the rest is pretty easy to do. Alright, so taking what we had before, let's solve this problem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start writing each term separately first and converting them into a simpler power form so I can use them easier. This is b to the half because 2 is here, 1 is in there. And this chunk we did before, and that becomes a pretty easy chunk over here. This becomes a to the b. Let's see if I can erase this one. It's actually a times b. b, the butterfly stays inside, and this becomes 4 and 3. So I'll write the rest of them more quickly now. Now here I converted every single term into the fraction on the exponents, and from here this should be a piece of cake. We're just going to combine them as we said before. Okay, let's give us a little more room and continue from there. So here what I'm going to do is equal to a. I'm going to actually copy each one of them down. Then now this is 1/3 plus 3/4. That's this chunk. Minus 2 because I'm doing a division over here. That's this term. And then minus 3/2. That's this chunk over here. Okay, I'll do the same thing for b. Here I took care of all the powers and put them in the line depending if I'm dividing or multiplying them. Same thing for b here, and then simplify, give me the final answer. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Hope this helps you. Please comment or share this video. Together we can make math easy again.